Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to raise to exponent Excel. Open your Excel file to see the data to edit. First, select the desired number, right-click, and choose the option Format Cells. In this window, check the box Superscript. Click on OK to see the new style of the number. Now, if you have numeric values, select the cell, and from the drop-down field in the number group, select Text. After that, select the number, right-click, and open Format Cells. Activate the superscript box, and when you apply the change, you will see this number format. After this, select the number to edit, and in the font group, click on the icon located in the corner. This time, activate the box Subscript. Click on OK, and you can see the number in this style. Finally, select the number, and using the Ctrl+1 keys, you will access the menu. Activate the Subscript option. Click on OK, and you will see the style in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.